Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. In our bowl, we're going to mix our eggs, 8 eggs, we'll add our milk, our pepper, dry mustard, and salt, and we'll stir that all up. In a 10-inch skillet, we'll heat up some olive oil. And we'll add our vegetables. I like to use mushrooms and peppers. And we'll cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're tender. Now we'll add our cooked potatoes and cook for another 5 minutes. Now we'll add our meat. I'm adding in sausage and bacon, but you can add ham if you like. Stir that around to evenly distribute the meat. Sprinkle our green onions on top. Then we'll pour our egg mixture over top of the potatoes and the vegetables and the meat. We'll add our cheese. And our herbs. And then we'll place it in our preheated oven of 400 degrees for around 15 minutes or until the eggs are set. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.